Namaskar and warm greetings from Odissi Natyashala. I welcome you all once again to Tarangini, episode 3 from a series of live performances by Odissi Natyashala, conceptualized by Guru Shrimati Anita Babu. This evening's episode will feature the budding stars of Odissi Natyashala, the tiny tots who, under the able tutelage of Guru Shrimati Anita Babu, have grown and continue to grow as elegant dancers. Without any further delay, let's begin and have a look at the snippets of some beautiful choreographies performed by these tiny tots.
तकता हम झम तारी ताके दादा किटी 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 तकता ताके दादा किटी तकता हम गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वर गुरुदेव महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः
I wanted my daughter to learn a traditional form of dance because she has been passionate about dance since she was a 4-year-old, and I always knew that the foundation of good dancer is always built on Indian traditional dances.
I want my child to learn because it is highly respectable in the society. Next, it makes my child disciplined and confident. It makes my child mentally and physically fit. It makes my child stand out of the crowd.
I feel that Indian classical dance are mirror of traditional culture in India. Therefore, the children in India find it easy to connect. The every Indian classical dance form draws inspiration stories of a life, ethics, and our belief. That's why it is important for our next generations to know our culture, our values.
Well, as a parent, what can I do to help my child in this journey? I can provide the support in providing the environment, support in coordination, and providing her the facilities and implements needed to practice this.
I truly agree that a parent's dedication and devotion is very much essential in continuing the dance form or any extracurricular activity of the child. We need to expose our children to various classical dance forms which exist in our culture. So, for this, I feel that as parents, we should give exposure by taking our children to various classical dance functions, various competitions, at various places where these classical dances, performances go on. Parents' role is very important for kids' dance journey, especially when I think about my kids. They have started learning dance from a very early age, wherein they didn't have the understanding of the importance of going to the dance class, the importance of being punctual, being regular. So, as a parent, yes, I had to spend a lot of time making them understand the importance of all these things, making them practice at home. So only a parent can do this. So parents' role is very much important for the kids' dance journey. It is very important to strike the right balance between academics and extracurricular activities in today's competitive world. Um, Extracurricular activities helps you in managing the time, because you have to strike a balance between your academics as well as the extracurricular activities. Second, especially if I talk about dance de-stresses a child's mind. It soothes the child's mind. And it gives a better control over the body. And the child will definitely know when to focus on the studies and when to focus on the extracurricular activities. When a child go for extracurricular activities, they meet a lot of kids from other communities, from other schools, from other families. So they become socially very active. And it the main important part is that it de-stresses the child when they're going for extracurricular activities. It is very important to strike a balance between the two. In today's time, it's very, very important for every child to learn some extracurricular activity. It may be dance, it may be music, it may be any form of art. And to strike the right balance, I would suggest that the kids must not go in for many number of activities. They may continue with only one or two, because otherwise they will not be able to maintain the balance between studies and extracurricular activity, and failing which they might have to leave their activity in between. So till now, my both daughters, I believe that they are easily able to make up the balance between their studies and dance.
Striking a balance between studies and extracurricular is very important, I believe. Both of them have a very important part to play in shaping up a child's personality, and we have to ensure that both are given due importance and the due time.
I feel learning dance would do a great deal to create, develop, and promote my lasting values in my child. She would able to develop a strong social sense of social interaction. Dancing would give her educational values of learning, disciplines, responsibility, and respect. And it is through these lasting values that would make her stand out in the crowd.
My daughter has been pursuing dance for 7 years now, and this experience has created a child who has a personality which shows apart from the crowd. My daughter has learned discipline, multitasking, taking the guru's advice, and knowing that she is always there for her, and also balancing her studies and her dance beautifully. This has led to me not ever thinking about giving her life skills. The life skills are already getting built up in the child.
It feels great to hear these words of wisdom by the parents of our students, and we feel proud to be associated with them. This was all from our side today. We hope these innocent smiles have added a splash of joy to your day. We shall be back next Saturday with yet another beautiful performance. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and keep dancing. Namaskar.